stern section. Here we go. Just finished the first pack in the stern section and it looks like it's got working propeller shafts. That's already very promising. So again, that's where it's going to join up with the middle section. And it looks like the boilers, not boilers, the engines themselves are just slotting there. Looking forward to this one. Once again, first part of the stern section completed. So we get the final funnel. Contrary to popular belief, this did actually function as a funnel, not a traditional funnel. But based on what I understand, this helped vent smoke from the first class smoking room because they had an actual fireplace and would have helped with ventilation as well. So it is still technically a funnel, not a traditional funnel. Then we got the dome. I believe this is supposed to be an aft staircase, maybe the second class entrance, I'm not certain. Again, got the boats, got the funnels. Then again, it looks like the engines will go on there. Got one more to go, and it looks like this one's going to be extraordinary. Well, I did it. Finally did it. She is complete. Now I'll take her apart to show you the engines that actually move, but you know, I don't want to take her apart. Just Stavett's fallen off, dang. So again, we've got the stern cargo cranes, stern masts. We have the docking bridge. Okay, we've got functional propellers. The rudder is also loose. So we have the poop deck, stern well deck. I think that's the second class entrance. Moving along, I believe that's the aft grand staircase. Moving along, so this is where the gymnasium is. I believe this is the first class writing room. And we have the gymnasium, first class entrance to the bridge, down along the promenades to the forward well deck and the forecastle. She is beautiful. I love her. She is Titanic.